Hello, everybody. I'm Jake Pickle. I'm going to be your host on Jibber Jabber.
Shout out to the lawn team at UNT.
The lawn team? No, for real, bro. They be putting the work in.
Can we make sure not to get my pit sweat in these shots?
Horse with the windshield or whale with interior seating?
It's notoriously our biggest question.
This is our biggest question. Explain in your mind what's going through it right now.
Well, horses, like, they can kick you really hard.
Yep.
Yeah.
And whales,
They're kind.
They're big deals.
I'd probably have to go with the whale with interior seating.
And that's the correct answer, everybody. You know, we kind of have almost the same hair if you wanted to take my spot. We do kind of... Look at us.
He's multiplying.
Lose your closest loved one or turn purple. Like, just put, like, or be purple.
All right, so this is the new Jibber Jabber setup. Well, let's go through and say our names.
I think this is pointed at me. Hello, my name is Homero.
Hello, my name is Jacob.
My name is still Homero. So hello, my name is Homero. Hello, my name is Jacob Virgin. I'm a filmmaker.
And I'm Jacob Virgin.
And I'm Peter Rabel.
And I'm Peter Rabel.
You know, we all have kind of like similar names. Hi, I'm Jake.
Oh, you're Jake?
Yeah, I'm Jake.
I'm Jake too.
You're Jake too?
Hello, I'm Jake Pickle.
All right, if we can get lower thirds up, Jake Pickle.
I'm Jake Pickle.
And I'm Peter Rabel.
What?
That's my name.
It's good to meet you, man.
Thank you.
You know, we all have nice hair. I don't want to lose it. I've had nightmares about losing my hair before. I'm not kidding. I've woken up and thought I've lost my hair, and I was really panicked.
I hate long hair.
Yeah, I know I do.
Would you rather go to Six Flags or Eight Flags?
How rad would it be if some person just barreled through all of our equipment with like a truck? And I just sat here watching it.
Would you do something?
They ask you, would you do something?
Would you do something?
Jogging. This is our prank card.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I do with Big Bang Theory. I have no clue what that show is about, but I will.
Can you say the thing?
Huh?
Can you say the thing?
Which thing?
I mean, you're gonna have to tell. I mean, I can't do it.
Bazinga.
Oh.
Yeah. No more swearing.
Don't worry, I'll be a really good boy today.
Okay. What does that involve? What does that entail?
Involves me not swearing at all.
Oh, okay. Would you rather have a wall outlet or be able to make earthquake?
Yeah, I mean, you gotta shout out the mound. You gotta make more mounds.
That would take a really long time.
It would
Also,
take a long ass time.
they're like heavy. Also, you just broke your values. You said an A word.
Which one?
He was not the good boy today.
Get this guy's lower third in. Hey, Owen McCool.
Bazinga.
Yeah. I want to ask 3 words. Describe the physics building.
Underfunded, claustrophobic, old, well-designed. It's got working elevators. It's pretty interesting.
Pretty interesting.
I guess you don't know Peter on a personal level, but he's kind of got that bad luck.
Yeah. I'm a real Charlie Brown-esque character. When everything froze and we were all not on campus for a week and all that stuff, I just stayed in my 10x10 room for 72 hours straight.
Sounds like a bunch of anxiety and depression, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
He thinks that having a big litter box is a lot more efficient than having a toilet.
You good?
No. I could barely get myself out of bed this morning.
Man, this really woke you up.
And I'm Jake Pickle.
And you're both Jake.
And I've been Jake Pickle. That's ironically probably the worst handshake I've ever given.
WTF. That is our newest podcast, hosted by your sister, Ashley Pickle.
Oh, she was your sister?
Yes, that's why we looked so familiar.
It is weird how much you two look alike, though.
Isn't it?
Can you edit that out, Audrey?
Aubrey,
I'm sorry. She's not editing that out. I forgot about it. You guys are being very, rude to each other for 2 people who just met.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
well.
true. This hasn't been a 20-year thing.
But they're going to have to edit that part out for me.
What'd you get, Matthew?
Oh my
You
God!
just won a ticket to Disneyland!
Oh my God!
And that's been our show. Thank you.